my previous video, I talked about how to use or what is all about this formula. Okay, and we also found our a subscript 0, which is equal to pi over 4. Okay, now our next move will be to find the coefficient, what we're supposed to put here and what we're supposed to put right here. For this one, we found which is right here. So here we need to write the formula, which is right here. So this is the formula we basically need. So we have cos nx dx. Mind you, I showed you on how to find the L. So the L in my previous video was a pi. If you have not watched that video, kindly do so. And this function here will just give us a 0. So we are not going to focus on this function. It's giving us a 0. We focus on this one. So where there is f of x, we put the function which is the x. And here, of course, nx dx. The lower limit will be 0 on this function. Upper limit will be a pi. So here you need to know by part method. So the integration will be done by part method. And when you integrate using by part method, you end up with 1 over n squared cos n pi. This is what you will get, minus 1 over n squared. So this is our a subscript n to be 1 over pi, here of 1 over n squared cos n pi minus 1 over n squared. Okay, so that's our solution. What we're supposed to put here is what we're supposed to put here is this one. Okay, so we now find what we need to put right here. So this one will look like this. Always remember the formulas. It's very important to remember the formulas. If you can't remember the formulas, there will be a very big problem. Okay, so here we put a pi, and I'm still reminding you to check the video if you've not watched the previous video, the part 1 of this video. That's where you get the ideas on how I came up with this L. And then for the lower limit, we just get what is here. Upper limit, here, this function is giving us a 0, so we're not considering it. We have x sine nx dx. We also integrate using by part method. And when we integrate using by part method, the answer that we are getting will be something like this. This is what we are getting over n. Okay, so our b sub n is equal to 1 over pi negative pi cos n pi over n. So we have what we need. So our next step, or in our next video, I'll show you now on how to put this stuff right here. Okay, how to put them right here. Okay, and come up with the series or the sequence. Thank you so much.